Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something a little bit different. I'm doing a vlog about me trying to find the BAFTA award dress. Guys, this was the most stressful period of my life, trying to find this dress, but I'm gonna walk you guys through everything. So first I had in my head that I wanted to wear a suit. I wanted to wear a pink and black or white suit, but that idea quickly got crushed when I put on a suit and realized I look like a bloody Oompa Loompa. Suits do not suit me. I don't know what it is. I think it's the pants that just don't suit me. So I went back to looking for dresses, but every dress that I found, there was something wrong with it. It was either too baby showerish, too sexy, too short, too long, too expensive, just wouldn't come in time because of the delivery date. It said it would take 5 weeks. It just wasn't working, but I persevered. I kept on looking. I found some beautiful dresses, gorgeous, darling, amazing, beautiful gowns for days, but nothing just felt like me. I didn't want to look like I was doing too much. I wanted to really feel comfortable because the BAFTA award is a dinner as well, but I wanted to also look good. You feel me? So this is a child BAFTA award invitation. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. You get it, and then when you open it up, such a cool little invite. It's got like all the information. On here it says dress code is stylish. So this is kind of what I had to go by. I was like, okay, stylish. That is such a vague word. I saw pictures of people who had been to the previous BAFTAs and what they were wearing, and everyone kind of went for like black and white or glitter. Okay, like Mimi, you got some work to do. Okay, so this is when I was trying to live out my glitter fantasy. I found this dress. This was actually the first dress I tried on. It's from Quiz. I think it was around £80, and I love the colour, but I just didn't want to look like a bloody disco ball, do you know what I mean? Then I found this one that made me look like a Star Wars character. I don't know what I was thinking trying this on. It was just a hot mess. No. I'm just showing you guys that I've literally been trying on so many different dresses, and just nothing was really sticking. So I carried on looking. I said high, low, low, and high. I literally, guys, when I tell you I've tried on literally probably over like 50 dresses. I've tried on so many dresses in this period. Yeah, I just kept looking, period. Now, you guys are probably wondering what the heck is going on with Mimi's hair. I'm gonna explain right now. What I had to do, guys, I had to basically walk around all the shops with my pink wig in my bag because I had to try out the dresses but see if it would actually go with the pink hair as well. So basically what I've been doing, I've been like taking the wig alongside me in my bag. Make sense? So now we can just move past that little piece of dega hair hanging out of my hat. But yeah, I think the hardest part about this is that everybody was sending me really short, glittery, puffy princess dresses, which on a normal day I would love. You guys know that's my style. But this time I wanted to come really modest. I didn't want to look like I was doing too much. Guys, look at this. I think I'm in Debenhams or John Lewis. I don't even know. I've gone to so many shops today. But look, the lights change if you click at home, not at work. This is if you're at home, night out. That's so cool, right? I've never seen it do that. Let me do that at work. You all gotta go to work. You gotta put in work. Okay, guys, so we have this one. Now, I actually love this one. The only thing is, it's cup, and you're kind of like, do you want to have cups? Does it look a bit? Because remember, I'm going as like a teen presenter, so there's so much things to think about. I got to think about a color that would match with my hair. I got to think about the BBC, who I'm like going to be representing, and Peggy Pictures, my production team. Like, I got to think about so much things, and then I also want to feel like myself. So there's like so much. That's why I was kind of avoiding this cuppy thing. I like the shape of this.
It does look nice, I ain't gonna lie.
It is nice, but I can already feel like this bit here is too fishtaily. But I like how the bottom sits. Yeah, it's enough. Sisters, I keep thinking about Vicky. My sister's like, you're the first person that I know to go to the BAFTAs. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, I just really want to look good, but at the same time, I don't want to do too much. Like, I don't want to have sparkly glitter. Plus, I have to wear pink hair. It's like a lot. I might be overthinking it, but I might.
You wear what's comfortable for you.
Exactly. Yeah, I don't want my anxiety is definitely kicking in right now, and I'm just thinking of so much things because I just want to make sure like I do everyone proud, make sure everyone feels like, yes, that black girl on the carpet slayed it. my battery died. But yeah, that's pretty much what was going through my head. Then I went to Next, and they literally came through. Lipsy and Next have some really nice dresses, so I brought a few of these dresses on that day. Then once I had a few dresses in the bag, I moved on to accessories. TK Maxx have a variety of random different stuff, and I brought both of these purses. I think what I wanted to do was just buy as much stuff as possible, because if worst comes to worst, I can always return it. Do you know what I mean? I think trying on everything together in the comfort of your own house really gives you a better idea of how everything's going to come together. Now, Debenhams was the plug for accessories and jewelry. I found so many silver jewelry. I literally brought a lot of this. Like, I brought pretty much all of this stuff because, again, just like what I said, trying it on with everything when I got home could give you a better idea. But FYI, if you do want to do this, make sure you don't buy earrings, because once you buy earrings, you kind of can't return them. But necklaces, bracelets and stuff like that, that was perfectly fine. You could just return it the next day if you decide not to wear it, which is exactly what I did. Shoes, now I'm not gonna lie, your girl can't walk in heels to save her life. So for me, it wasn't really about the style of the heel, it was more so about the comfort. Just because I wanted to be comfortable walking around the BAFTA, speak to people, network. I didn't want to be worrying about that little toe that's hanging out of my shoe. Do you know what I mean, babe? I just wanted to be comfortable. So I got shoes from Next, which I'll show you later on in the video. Now these are the looks that I ended up creating. This is the first look that I created. It was a red number, and I don't think the red looks bad with my hair at all. I think the red did go really nice. That purse matched perfectly with my hair. Oh my gosh, like literally I didn't even try on any of the other purse. I just stuck to this one because it just matched perfectly. This is a second outfit. This dress was from Miss Selfridges, and I love this dress. It had lots of bead detailing, and the detailings were pink and silver, which was perfect because the pink matched with my hair. I still just felt like this dress wasn't really BAFTA-y. I didn't want to wear a short dress. Of course, it's not short, but I just wanted something a bit long. Oh yeah, these are the shoes I was talking about. These shoes are so comfortable. Now, Next do wide-footed shoes, heels. So make sure you check those out for all my wide leg girl like me. Those were so comfortable. This is another outfit I tried, going back to my blazer fantasy. This blazer I just got from thrifting, but I knew I wouldn't wear this outfit. It was just a bit too much. And this was the look I actually ended up going for. So I bought this dress in Lipsy, literally Lipsy, right next to my house. I never even thought to go in there. I found this dress last minute and I absolutely loved it. This was a size 8, so all I want to say is shout out to Spanx, because the Spanx had me sitting right, looking tight the whole night. Listen, I don't know what I would have done without the Spanx, but these are some pictures of the award. We didn't win the award, unfortunately, but do you know what? Just being nominated was such a big deal, and being in a room with all those amazing content creators was just such an unreal experience. So shout out to the BAFTA, shout out to Peggy Pictures and BBC iPlayer team. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. It was really short, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.